So as we commemorate 100 years of the Kenya Girl Guides Association, it's my hope that we shall remain inspired to learn, create, and be part of the change we want to see in our communities, our institutions, and our country, Kenya. I thank all our partners, many of whom are represented here today. You have become our beacons of support through your contributions, commitment, and goodwill. Once again, I congratulate the entire community of the Kenya Girl Guides Association. I wish you all an exciting day of celebrations and safe travel home. Happy 100th anniversary. Thank you.